Ah, yes, welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today, the year is 1985. Back to the Future hits the block. VH1 launched, Super Mario Brothers is on Nintendo, and bam! Boss Number One. Let's get this in the spirit. Boss Number One. What type of fragrance is this? It's going to be a spicy, woodsy, animalic, sweet, leathery. When can you wear this? When you want to be in charge. I would say when you want to make a great impression, when you want to let people know that you are about business. Ain't no games around here, all right? I'm coming in for this position. I need this job. Yes, yes, yes. Pinstripe suit. Don't wear a pinstripe suit unless it's a good one. I would say if you're between the ages of 20 to 25, this needs a purpose. This has to have some sort of utility. This is you going into a position that's part-time and getting the full-time position. This is you going from an intern, a career person, right? That's what this is. This says, I'm about business. Look at the title, Boss Number One, okay? I'm about business. Keep that in mind. Seasons. I would say you could wear this definitely in the colder months, the fall, warm fall. It is a little bit sweet. It does have a urinal-esque type of quality to it. Now, before that scares you away and you start clicking on the other icons and stuff like that, just know that it definitely develops over time, but it has a very vintage feel. So when people smell it, they're not gonna necessarily say you smell like a urinal, but I do think that they will get a whiff of something a little bit stringent, but I don't think their mind is gonna go to urinal. I will say that I was at the YMCA, had to go use the bathroom, walked up to a urinal, and boom, I was like, whoa, that's Boss Number One. Like, it definitely hit me. And it's funny because when I was doing the unboxing, I smelled something urinal-like, but I wasn't sure if my mind was just playing tricks on me. But yes, when I went to the bathroom, stepped in front of one of those urinals, I definitely thought to myself, Boss Number One, is that you? You could wear this any day, all day. You could wear this to the mall, you wear it to a friend's house. I think you can dress this up by layering it, right? So let me explain that. I think that when you put this on and you throw on a leather jacket with it, right? You throw on a nice pair of boots, you know, some boots. If you dress it up, you don't necessarily need to be in a suit. However, I think, you know, again, between 20 and 25, this should be worn at an interview or something like that, right? It needs to be presented. So as far as presentation goes, somebody please bring back the vintage looking bottles. It is a beautiful bottle. I don't know why we kind of abandoned this. I know the Terre de Hermes bottles still look like this. Something about this just says vintage. It just reminds me of the bottles I used to get when I was growing up. It really is beautiful. You know, you have the chamfered edges that come up, Boss, nice, thick, dense color. I love the density and the color when the fragrances. Simple atomizer. Not exactly the most ergonomically pleasing thing, but it does have some weight so you can get away with it. Nice glass. It doesn't look like it's any cheap glass. It's nice glass. Yeah, I like this. Notes. Now, there are a lot of stuff in the notes, so bear with me. We have in the top notes, Bergamot, Caraway, lemon, basil, grapefruit, green apple, juniper, tarragon. Now, for me personally, I'm getting the juniper, the lemon, and in the middle notes, you have honey, geranium, jasmine, lavender, Orris root, lily of the valley, and rose, along with sage. I definitely get the lavender. This is a fougère, so you're gonna get lavender in here. And in the base, you have oak moss, tobacco, amber, cedar, cinnamon, musk, patchouli, and sandalwood. Now, I will say this is well blended. You're not gonna really pick up on anything individual. These vintage scents more so have like a feel to them. Whereas stuff today is like, I pick up the musk, I pick up the lemon, I pick up the bergamot. You don't really get that in vintage fragrances. For whatever reason, maybe I guess back then, it was more so about the adventure that your nose would go on and not necessarily, can you pick this out? Now, this is, a cousin of Drakkar Noir, there will be a head-to-head to these, so stay tuned for that. But you can definitely feel the similarities in these. So if you like this, it's a very great chance you're gonna love this. If you love this, it's a great chance you're gonna like this. Now this has been reformulated from the research that I've done. This is still very, very similar to the original version. This is slightly different, but they still, I think it's the lavender that's in them, still connected in that way, shape, or form. Big BE, it's a fragrance that is very territorial because it's signature. So when you spray this, it's gonna project pretty hard. This is a toilette. It's gonna project pretty hard. I would say for the first hour, right? And then it starts to go into that mid, and then it becomes more of a skin scent. But it lasts a decent amount of time. You're probably gonna get around 2 feet, you know, swinging the arms around and stuff like that, 2 feet. 2 feet for sure. But yeah, you can't go wrong with this. Sillage is probably one of the more unremarkable aspects of this fragrance. I didn't get a whole lot of trail in this. Big BE is probably closer to 3 feet, but the trail on the other hand, not significant. I will say this, older people tend to like this. I've worn this around people who are like, that smells good. Because I think it kind of reminds them of their youth, right? So keep that in mind. Overall, highly recommend this. Thank you, Tobias, for recommending this. If you guys have any other recommendations or anything you guys should try, definitely let me know in the comment section. This is something that I would definitely be rocking. I love this fragrance. This is a perfect fragrance, and it does kind of remind you of a different time period. It really does. When I smelled this, more so than this, for whatever reason, when I smelled this, it just took me back to when I was a kid. It was kind of crazy. So anyway, that's the review. Let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.